Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix LG dryer d80 error code. So first thing is turn off and unplug the dryer and remove and clean the lint filter thoroughly. And after that, just simply disconnect the vent hose from the back and remove any lint or blockages inside and just simply check the vent hose. And now you could also check the wall or duct vent. So check the duct to the outside for the lint buildup and clean with a vent brush or a vacuum. And after that, just simply reattach the vent hose securely and plug it in and run a short cycle to see if the error clears. Now guys, if the code remains, it means airflow sensors or internal ducts may need servicing, so you may need to call for professional help. There you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.